Junada bin Abi Umayyah says that they visited Hazrat Ubadah bin Samit radiyallahu anhu when he was ill. We said, May Allah Jalla Jalaluhu grant you health. Narrate to us a hadith which you have heard from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and which may benefit us. Hazrat Ubadah bin Samit radiyallahu anhu said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam summoned us, so we took an oath of allegiance to him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam took pledge from us on these things. We should swear an allegiance on listening to and obeying in mirth and grief, in adversity and felicity, and when someone is preferred to us, and that we will not fight with a ruler regarding his rulership unless you notice a clear infidelity in him, in respect of whose being infidelity you have an evident proof from Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. The Quran and Sunnah. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4748.